Hello guys, I'm here today. We're gonna search Google in Mi Circle. It's just Mi Circle. Okay, so yeah. Okay, next. Okay, Mi Circle's Villains Wiki Fandom. Okay, Mi Circle's Mi Circle's grabbing the pencil case. Okay. Pencil case mean may circle. Kaya looks like may circle. Kaya na holding a pencil case, guys. So yeah. Next, may circles fundamental paper education wiki fandom. Okay, that looks normal, guys. Okay, next, okay, is Miss Blumen and Miss Circle just some how to bully short pe people people with me circles fundamental people edu. Ito. Okay. Share and save. How to find out this? Save this data. Done. No. Not sure. No. Okay, that is gonna marry the Miss Circles and Miss Blumen. So yeah. Okay, we have to save this. Can I save? Okay. Come on, I'm stuck. Next, Miss Circle. Miss Circle looks like a voice chat. What's the voice? Okay, there's Miss Circle watching the YouTube channel. Okay, let's go there. Miss Circle is kinda handsome like this. Come on. Okay. This one is Miss Circle is Samsung. And next, here is Miss Davella, Miss Circle, Miss Blumen. I think looks like all of them are saved. Okay. Okay, there's ketchup on this one and this one right here. It's kind of disturbing, so I love it. Miss Circles by Giwa 02 on new ground. Okay. Looks like F plus and Miss Circles not happy. And Miss Circles does have a sharp teeth. It looks like a demon, guys. Okay. Miss Circle is not happy. Okay. Why does Miss Circle Samsung? Daily those two those of Miss Circles day one are fundamental paper ed. Okay. That's normal. Just wide. Why did they say copyright? I didn't say copyright. Let's save it. Edit. Oh no. Okay. The next. Okay, Miss Circle's kinda hamster, so I'm not gonna lie. So yeah. And okay, I just glitched a little bit, so I'm not gonna save because three of them is evil. So I'm not gonna lie. This one is kinda evil, guys. So I'm not gonna lie. Next, okay. STEM workshop Miss Circle's next bot. Yo, I play this game. It says copyright. Yo, I play the Roblox. I play Roblox next bot. I play next bot. Guys, I play Nico's next bot's B Circle. So I played that this time, guys. So he says right here, it says next one. Okay. Next, okay. Daily dose of musicals. Day 1. Fundamental paper editing. Okay. She's kinda handsome. Okay, this one is real. So yeah. Next, okay. Me Circles fandom. Okay, Me Circles gonna holding pencil case and the core, and then the boots, and then the spiky hair looks like a Sonic the Hedgehog. Okay, looks like the Sonic, guys. Looks like the Sonic the Hedgehog. Okay, that looks normal. Oh no! Oh no! Circle looks like a handsome again. He's got A plus. Looks like a A plus, guys. There's no text, guys. Let's go. Next, there's Miss Circle. Miss Circle. And then, okay. I can't read. Why? Okay. Miss Circles by. It just need fun. Fun for my day on the debate art. Okay. This one is not evil, and this one is evil. That's lie. This one is lie. What's like lie, guys? There's no text, guys. Yeah. Okay, next. Baldi X me. Baldi X me circles based on a good of awful TikTok TikTok or Baldi's basics edu. What the? What? This this one is friendly and this one is friendly. He says scarier them who I I lit I lit her I literally never need that evil ever. That. Okay. Guys, it looks like Baldi's basics on education and learning, guys. Yo, I played that just this time, guys. Okay, next is Miss Circles. Miss Circle. Miss Circles fan art by Vinny Paul of Bala of on the Divine Art. Look, she says Miss Circles. Miss Circles is holding a pencil case again. This is kinda rude, guys. Okay. That one is normal. Okay, that's all of them, guys. I think that's all of them. Okay, stop. I think that's all of them, guys. Okay, next. Okay, we like me circles or me circle. Okay, she's hold. He's he is holding me circle. It's like me circle. It looks like a cat, guys. Okay, next. Okay. My circles looks like a plushie. Hello, my circle is a plushie.
Kaya nagamit sa ano?
Okay. I think that's all of them, guys. Guys, I think it's all of them. So, yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. Guys, goodbye.